Hi, it's Marieta, founder of ImmigrationBiz and business immigration attorney. In this video, I want to talk about E2 reciprocity rules. So let's do this. If you are someone who is considering E2 investor visa, this is definitely a video for you. Now, I'm assuming you already know the rules and requirements, how to apply for E2. If you don't, definitely check out my other videos on this topic where I talk about all the details that you need to know if you want to apply for E2 investor visa. In fact, recently I just did a video why I love E2 visa so much, so definitely check it out first and then watch this video. Now, it really depends where you're coming from. Why? Because each country has different treaties with the US. So, for example, if you are from Australia or Canada, your reciprocity treaty is different than a treaty from probably different country. Let me give you an example. I'm originally from Slovakia. For those who don't know me, I'm also immigrant, E2 investor visa, and business immigration attorney. So I came to the US 10 years ago and actually I applied for my own investor visa. Slovakia as a country has a bilateral treaty with the US for only 2 years. That means I can enter the US for 2 years, stay up to 2 years, but then I can ask and actually apply for renewal of this visa multiple times. There is no limit. There is a Czech Republic, which by the way used to be Czechoslovakia a while back. Now Czech Republic has different rule. And there is actually different treaty between Czech Republic and US. Therefore, people from Czech Republic can actually enter the US for 2 years, but they have a visa for 5 years. And there is a difference between visa and status. Visa is just a tool helping you to enter the US. The moment you enter the US, you have a status. And that is a different story because you can have a visa for 5 years, but the status, the legal status, in fact, the length of stay in the US is only 2 years. There are other countries that have even treaties that allow you to enter only up to 3 months, for example. Actually, Jordan is one of them, for example. Iran is another one. And these countries actually allow you to enter the US only once or twice. And then when you enter the US, you have a length of stay again determined by the officer at the port of entry, which can be 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. But the visa itself is only given for a period of 3 months. Can be renewed once or twice. In some countries, 3 times. It really depends. So you really need to check the reciprocity schedule and to know exactly what are your options. Because not everyone is qualified for E2 visa in a way that you can live in the US on E2 indefinitely. Okay, there are countries that allow you to do that based on the treaty, based on the bilateral international treaty between your country and the US. So you really need to know what is the treaty between your country and the US, and based on that you will know how long you can stay in the US and plan accordingly. Now, if you are not from a treaty country, meaning the country that has a treaty between your country and the US, you can consider alternatives. And another alternatives would be, for example, L1 visa. Okay? So yeah, I did a video on this. You can check it out. Alternatives for, in fact, these are called alternative for H1B visa, because if you already know me, I'm not really a big fan of H1B, and there are different reasons why. But basically, if you are not eligible for E2, you can consider L1. The point is that you have to check the treaty. You have to check the treaty and you have to check the rules in order to plan accordingly your strategy when it comes to your visa and doing business in the US. If you guys need any help, you can leave a comment below, or you can in fact contact me at office@immigrationbiz.com. And also I encourage you to sign up to my free masterclass where I'm going to teach you how you can actually get your E2 visa, and I'm going to post the link below as well. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and if you do like my videos, subscribe to my weekly updates, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.